We're seeing the Australian share market coming under pressure, down by 0.5%. Really started on Wall Street last night with reporting season in full swing. Netflix disappointing the market and falling after hours, and we are seeing the Nasdaq futures down by 0.5%. But we also saw softer job numbers out here in Australia. For the month of June, we only saw 500 jobs being added compared to an expectation of 9,000 jobs being added, and the unemployment rate staying steady at 5.2%. That's only increasing expectations that we'll see another rate cut sooner rather than later in 2019. That's helping some of the bond proxy areas of the market, with the property sector and the telecom sector outperforming, and Auckland Airport's trading up by 0.7%. Having a look at company news, and Lendlease has inked its biggest ever deal with Google. It will be developing 3 of Google's sites in San Jose, Sunnyvale, as well as Mountain View, and we are seeing Lendlease shares up by 5% on the news. But not a great day for CIMIC shares, which has plunged by 20% on the back of soft first half results. Construction, which makes up around about 45% of its business, saw softness, with profit falling by 15% for the half year, and the shares one of the worst performers on the market. CIMIC saying that it's going to restart its share buyback program to try and help support the share price. Woolworths announced the closure of 3 of its stores in New South Wales, including Chullora, Auburn, as well as Fairfield. Woolworths shares are down by 0.7%, and we're seeing Woodside Petroleum coming out with quarterly numbers, seeing a 32% drop in revenue due to maintenance at Pluto. The shares down by 2.6%, but that's not unusual given that we have seen the oil price coming under pressure. So all in all, a weekday for the Aussie share market, some low volumes, but we'll be watching that quarterly reporting season out of the US very closely tonight.